Hey everyone, ever heard of Real Debrid but not sure what it does? In this quick guide, I'll explain what Real Debrid is, why people use it, and how to set it up under 2 minutes. What is Real Debrid? Real Debrid is a premium multi-hoster that gives you access to high-speed streaming links for movies, shows without buffering or annoying pops-up. It works with apps like Kodi, Cinema HD, and Streamio, unlocking better quality sources other users can see. And now, how to use it? Go to real-debrid.com and sign up for a free account, then purchase a premium plan to unlock all features. Next, go to your streaming app settings on your phone, find the Real Debit option, and log in using the authorization code. Once linked, you will start seeing new HD links marked as Real Debit. Just click and enjoy fast, buffer free playback. That's it. Real Debit is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your streaming life. Like, subscribe, and check the description for a full setup guide. Happy watching. Thank you so much.